Holy guacamole, you're not gonna believe this. Win after win, Apex, Fortnite, you name it. This $269 sleeper is a ripper. Here's the build from start to finish. If it fits, it ships. Might actually fit. So we need to move our stands. Sometimes it's easier to plug in the front panel before you install the motherboard and the SATA ports that are front facing. We're one stand short. More important to have the screws in around 20 pin and the RAM and bits that are pushed in quite hard. Whereas these little USB plugs, it's not going to hurt missing a stand from there. Can't stand it when that happens. Ooh, so close, yet so far. I know how to sort that out. You know what? Surprised. I thought that would have been plastic. Fairly decent. Haha! Beautiful! 20 bucks, 500 watt. This will be a nice heat extractor. Airflow is going to be a big factor with this case. We may need to modify it. These are slide on. Plug it all in, set up the hard drives, and we're ready for some games. Very happy with that. Quick, easy build. Yes, it was time to test out some Apex. It was not looking good though. Our 1% lows were only 7 FPS. Even though I refreshed the metrics, it was still staying way too low. Our CPU was spiking to 100%. This was a death sentence. Time to make it better. So I put the modded 12th gen cooler on, so I could overclock it to 3.75 gigahertz. It was okay for long range. Our 1% lows were a lot better, but the minute I got close to high CPU usage, game over. Thanks a lot all you YouTubers that told me an i5 is enough for gaming 10 years ago. Oh, I mean, it probably was then, but now? Nah, not unless it's a new i5. We need a better CPU. I found a Xeon E3 1275 version 3 that can turbo up to 3.9 gigahertz. It's a quad core with 8 threads. I placed it straight in the LGA 1150 socket and paired it with the 12th gen cooler. What a beast. It was only 50 bucks for 13 bucks postage to ship to France. I had to run it with the sides off. If we want to overclock this bigger chip, we need to improve our airflow. So I ripped out the crappy fan mount, put in the biggest fan I could, and all this fantastic plastic front panel was just all in the way, blocking the whole vent. So what do? You cut it out. So all that vent was all blocked before. What's the point of even having a fan there? Well, she should have a fighting chance now. Ready to overclock. Hold down shift. But you can't find your BIOS. Press restart. Restart anyway. Go into troubleshoot, advanced options, and UEFI settings, and then restart, and then it will let you get in the BIOS. And now we have the BIOS option. Open advanced mode. So this CPU can hit 3.9 megahertz. Set an overclock. This Xeon chip is locked, but that's okay. We can do a base clock increase. So I set the overclock. Base clock to, let's just try 105. I set it to 105. A good solid increase. It should give us a couple of 100 megahertz if we're lucky. Base clock core voltage is only 1.02. Oh, it's so low. Let's go manual. Let's go 1.25. Advanced mode, CPU configuration, boost performance mode, turbo performance, and we'll go to our CPU power management and just disable C state. Save changes and restart. Fingers crossed. Oh, look at that, we're getting 4 gigahertz. Holy moly. Almost 4.1. Fire up HW info and CPU Z. Just do a quick stress test, see if it crashes. Now less than a minute in, it's already getting hot, close to 90 degrees. Time to turn up the fans and turn down the voltage. So I jump back in the BIOS. 1.2. Oh, we're under 80 degrees. Temps are good. Let's run a quick user benchmark to see how it stacks up against our $200 gaming PC. And I've managed to overclock the GPU with the auto settings. Fingers crossed she's stable now. Better sip the lucky benchmark beer. Where do you think the word benchmark comes from? Did people used to get like swords and just slash them into the bench and see who made the biggest mark? Not bad. So now our CPU's in the 99th percentile, our GPU is in the 91st, and our RAM is still in the 99. It's unbelievable, the Xeon CPU average score is only 2.3% slower than the delidded liquid metalled i7-4770K. Alright, it's time to crank up the settings in Apex. Let's go for 2K. You all asked for it. We're screen capturing with the AMD software, which is super lightweight. Whoa, the frame rate's way up there. The CPU's much more happy. Alright, let's get into some action. Whoa, only a minute and I already killed the kill leader. Very nice. We're about to get scanned. Make sure you check your mini-map for the direction it came from. When you get stuck between two teams, you need to move out of the open. Flank. Wish someone told my teammates that though. As soon as there's 3 teams fighting, you know there's a 4th, maybe a 5th on the way.
Reloading. Just us got our friend's banner. This is great. Reloading. Firing. Friends are coming to kill us. There's another squad. Using grapple. Down. Now we can loot them.
You need to cover, heal, and move.
Broken enemy shield. Reloading. I downed an enemy. Spotted them. I'm taking shots.
Whoa, Wraith is holding their own. Go, Wraith.
Need to recharge my shields.
I better go help. I just wish they'd reposition before we both get.
Using grapple.
I need to flank the snipers before they get wrecked. Oh no! I knew that was gonna happen. Ah, your burst fire ain't no match for my controller setup with tap strafing. Let me know in the comments if you want to see how to do it. Whoa, kill leader! Smash that like button for this cheaper sleeper. What a unit!
I got you, friend. The ring isn't very close. 45 seconds.
Don't loot for too long. Only take what you need and keep moving. Oh no, the player I just downed opened the door for his mate. That's adorable.
Enemy down.
Oh yes, Ray, clutch it. Oh, we killed the champions. Need a heal and get a heat shield up fast.
Repairing my damages.
Recharging my shields.
Giving my shields a recharge.
If you're in the storm, you need heat shields. You need to be healing, especially if you want to revive your mate.
Heat shield deployed. Bye-bye, pain. I am repairing myself.
Playing from the ring can work well in the early rings,
Healing up. I'm
Our
down.
SMG here.
but you need good map
Check out
awareness.
that way, friends.
Don't get cornered. We'll accidentally have to go around the long way.
Rings moving.
Oh crap, Mirage! What did I just say? You've gone the wrong way. Oh, you're a goner in the storm. No. What do you all think of this new class system in Apex? I'm quite actually liking it. "76 FPS average, 52 FPS, 1% lows." Grapple! Oh no, I missed the ledge! It was at that moment he knew he fucked up. Oh, go Rafe, you got this!
Reloading.
Oh yeah, let's go!
That was the last one. Nice work. One more squad.
Ah, it's the last squad. We gotta move. Ring advantage is very important when you're the last squad.
Getting shot at.
Oh yeah, hemlock! Oh, we're res for res at this point. We are one wicked duo, I tell you what. This Wraith is a legend. Time to get some height advantage. That doesn't mean I can aim though. This is where the headset comes in good. I can hear the Wraith is running away inside the building. I need to push. Oh yes, we're the champions! The cheapest sleeper! What a unit! Even in 2K 1440p. Wow, the only way I could have got more points was to play with friends. So add me y'all. Let's play some Fortnite now. Settings were an average 2K, performance mode, unlimited frames. The only thing I changed on the hardware side of things is I turned down the overclock to 104 on base. I did have a reboot the first time I tried to play Fortnite. It was a bit of a memory issue. I'm loving these locked chests right now. The guns in them are insane. What the heck were we talking about? Oh yeah, memory loss. Base clock is overclocked. It affects memory as well. So I just brought that down a little bit for better stability, and I also set a 20 gig paging file as virtual memory, and because we have an SSD it's actually really fast, so time to do some gaming and make sure it's stable. Never understood why people run synthetic benchmarks for hours upon hours. What a waste of power. Just play some games. I just went full noob for a minute there. Not sure how I'm still alive, but I'll take it. Ah yes, finally a red eye. Alright, let's get on with the slaughter. Ah, mate. I dubbed the NPD. Non-player bird. Numbers is a real deal. You can't beat a distraction. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Oh, the OG textures can't keep up with the red eye. Re-aim quick, get your whole sight back. This is looking good already. 9 kills. Holy moly. Oh, gold red eye. Let's go. Holy crap, a dragon breath sniper. Yes. Nah, it's incendiary round. Alright, let's burn them down. I mean, it does only work if you can aim though. Oh, you gotta love that burn damage. Old hopscotch over here. Take that, mate. Oh, missing kill. Oh, I almost had him. Fighting in a storm is never a good idea. I better pop a legendary tug real fast. You gotta risk it to get the biscuit. Oh, final 2. And he ain't coming out of his house, checking all the windows. He's not silly. I'm gonna have to go low profile. Hello, Shadow. Oh, got him! Hell yes! The cheaper sleeper is insane. Let's give it away. Look at that, over 200 FPS, 159 FPS average, 50 FPS 1% lows, all while screen capturing. 15 kills, WTF. And next time when we upgrade the $200 gaming PC to an absolute beast of a thing, let's see how hard we can push it. We want to run some Blender, we want to never surrender. See you all next time.